What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and just stopping by, don't forget to give this video an extra thumbs up before you leave. And don't be bad. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNT gang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. Alright y'all, so today we are doing a KFC mukbang. We got some chicken. We got some, what they call them? Potato wedges?
Potato wedges.
I have some of their delicious coleslaw. And we are doing It's Wani How Well Do You Know Me challenge. So that means someone's getting pied today. And when I mean someone, I mean you. All right, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and say grace. Amen. All right, y'all. Did you just do this? Oh, this is so good, y'all. They didn't even have a top. They used saran wrap.
Really? I thought you just did that when you got that.
No.
It does.
They got the best coleslaw to me, y'all.
Did I get a biscuit too?
Yeah, it's all in them down.
I just got a biscuit.
Really, it's warm?
I just got a biscuit.
Exactly.
Well, it's like I cuss.
But hey, y'all, what's up? Happy the month of December.
I want some sauce. Wait for the fun now.
I usually do it when we eat them. You too close to me, see? Keep it with that weird stuff. Okay.
Oh.
Don't pose. Y'all, I tried to do some crawfish with this chicken. I should have.
I wanted some too.
Right.
Had my hopes up for it.
And you ain't say nothing.
What
Crab. Oh, trash. Put it in this bucket.
That's ghetto.
Putting trash in the bucket is ghetto.
Yep. Tasha rubbed off on me when y'all been together.
Sasha.
Sasha. Ugh. I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
And I was doing so good. When you was having seafood, I started eating. Now you want to bring this out.
Really trying to eat cute with the chicken? Who does that? Nah, that's ghetto.
Spell it.
Him and these spelling bees.
Exactly. You took too long. Don't try to distract them because you don't know how to spell it.
That's why you getting pied. Spell that.
American pie?
He's sick. But yeah, I had a good day today. I don't know why. Like, I'm just in great spirits. Blame puberty.
Blame who?
Blame puberty.
Is that different, right? Wouldn't you do it? You magician? Oh, down my cup.
Because my other drink was disgusting.
It's fine to me.
You're disgusting. Y'all. So, KFC, their soda machine wasn't doing what it was supposed to do, basically. Like, it wasn't no sugar inside the Sprite.
There wasn't no tea in the iced tea.
It wasn't no what?
There wasn't no tea in the iced tea. wasn't no mountain in the dew.
I'm screaming. Be hungry.
Be humble.
What were you about to do?
I don't know.
Hmm.
I was trying to see my chicken wings.
But you had to do all that.
What'd I do? What'd I do?
You jumping at my dang old FNTGANG. Yeah, y'all see these bumps on my face?
Don't advertise on paper.
Exactly. Because they know. They saying, what's up? Yo, I haven't had bumps on my face in years.
Is that honey?
Yes, honey.
I knew it sounds sweet.
He's too close to me. You're too close to me. Because you're going to try something. No, I'm not here for it.
You can't pour it on my biscuit.
Put it up so they can see.
Come butter my biscuit.
Up!
Really? You're tripping?
Because you're filthy. That's
I
all.
took a bath.
In fact, Jamal was showing out at my cousin's birthday party. It was like, and she always like, this when you drunk. I said, he's not even drunk. They were like, wait, what? Your boy was singing Britney Spears, rolling on the floor, trying to do some leaps.
Not trying, doing.
No. No.
I did a whole herky.
And we was about to leave you on that floor. Herking. Yeah. Did you bark?
Maybe.
Why are you looking like that? I'm screaming. Jamal is a mess. Get off that phone.
I'm finna put it on Do Not Disturb. You just be, you know. I'm sick of you. My bad.
Exactly.
Listen now.
Jamal, be normal. You turned to Pikachu?
I told you to Pikachu.
Oh, I thought you was like, yeah, I ain't got time for this boy. He want to get past so bad.
Excuse me.
He full?
Excuse me.
He getting full.
No, I'm not.
Right? That do look good. That looks so good. Boy, that sounds, Yeah, I don't like biscuits. Man, they got some good biscuits. It need a sausage in the middle and some eggs and cheese. You're so filthy.
Thank you. I get it from my father's side.
I was about to say that. Anyway.
Really, I was gonna say that?
Exactly.
Good news. Gonna get in trouble. You don't eat your fries?
Yeah. Look at that chicken tender. Jamal, I'm gonna do something to you.
What?
I'm gonna do something to you.
What's the something, baby?
Exactly.
That missed my whole mouth. Yeah, it's so childish.
Somebody better come and get him.
You know. I'm sorry, Ryan. I just missed you.
No, you don't. Yeah. Okay. I won't share. Every time I be like, y'all, you just. All right, y'all. We gonna follow up on that, y'all.
Oh,
Really? Y'all, we're literally about to say the same thing, but I'm gonna let him say it. Go ahead.
okay. So I know y'all challenged us to do the no habits challenge. So we want y'all to tell us which habits do we have that y'all don't want us to do in the upcoming challenge that we're going to do together. We psyched. Cause we are so.
Yo. Here's a mess. And it's like you get worse when you sit like this close to me. Because you know I'll allow people all up in my grill.
I'm getting hot.
He's taking advantage of every moment and being all up in my face. You are.
Imagine you flip down the waist like that, talking about.
Cuz, look at it.
You know he's taking advantage of being in my space.
Cuz, look at it. It's like, you know, this cute. They was about to have a whole baby.
And you just say that.
You gonna eat that chicken?
I don't see me touching it.
What? Can you touch?
You see me touching it. Touch the butt. I don't know what's wrong with me.
I don't either. That chicken's good. Where's the bread?
Exactly. Look at this foolishness.
It's good though. Excuse me. Yeah, I haven't had fried chicken since. I think it's been that video that I did with Shayla. Remember that last Tuesday?
Mm-hmm. When you gonna start your diet over?
I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna do it, y'all. I got too happy. I've been off my diet for a whole week and a half. And I'm already getting it back. So, yes. Back to the keto.
I should do it too. You know I got a big head.
You're gonna slowly drift away.
Just something. Today on the News Anchor Black Denim, we're going to talk about everything that is under the wonderful sun. Starting with how I get my complexion this light. It's because of my lights. So that's about it. And then I'm going to talk about my lovely best friend, Mel's here.
Stop touching me!
I wasn't finna touch you again. Somebody stop touching me when I was done.
You ain't get tired.
That's gross.
All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. So we're going to start with this challenge.
Can I taste it?
We got 5 questions. Yes.
I can't taste it?
No. You're going to taste it when I pie you. But see, I ain't going to do it. Oh, I'm sorry. It's whiny. I'm not going to do it like it's whiny do it. Because, excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Because I ain't got time for that. So what we're going to do, we're going to ask each other. We're going to ask each other some questions. And we're going to keep score. And whoever got the most points of losing, get pied.
Put some on my french fry. It's real good.
I bet it is. It tastes like ice cream and French fries, don't it? All right, you go
my
first.
life.
I had chicken all up. Why you didn't tell me? You're a little biscuit. Go ahead.
How about me?
Yes.
Okay. You said we're doing easy to hard.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and ask him a question. And you have 5 seconds to answer it. How many sisters do I have?
30.
You trying to be funny because I got a whole bunch of sisters. I have 7 sisters. Okay. So that's 1 point for you.
All right. How many sisters do I have?
You have 3.
Oh,
Wrong. No, that's not wrong.
yes, it is.
She's a woman now.
Not documented.
No, because if I would have said 2, you would have said wrong. So you can't do that. I'll avoid that one.
Oh, goodness.
All right, Dad. Because you tried it. Y'all, he tried to give me a trick question. Okay.
That was a question?
No. When did I start my channel? Month and year.
Oh my goodness, it was
5 seconds.
last year.
5 seconds left.
I know it was last year. I don't know the specific month. Cause you just hit your 1 year mark.
It was May 15th.
2018?
Yes.
Turn up.
2. You're real close to 5. Go ahead.
What is my favorite food?
French fries. You lied. You lied. It gotta be French fries.
And
What is it? Macaroni?
yes.
Okay, I take that. Carbs. Good. I take that in. Okay. Let me give you an easy one.
Like you.
Okay. Where did I get the name Black Denim?
Lady Gaga.
Sing the part.
Love is the new denim of black.
Okay. Be monotone. Okay.
How many real relationships have I been in?
2. How many real relationships have I been in?
2.
1.
I was gonna say 1, but I thought about who, and I was like,
Who? Whisper it. Wait, y'all. Oh, you could say him, Cam. My first love.
how was that your love if y'all wasn't in a relationship then?
We weren't in a real relationship. But I loved him. I loved that man. I was gonna kill him. All right. So, you got 2 more sprites.
Oh, it's my question time now. What? Trying to think of a good one. How did I get the scar that's under my eye?
You fell out of the car.
No.
Oh. Which scar was that?
This one.
How did you get this? What scar under your eye? Oh, I see it. Okay, Scarface.
Oh, I got it because I was running with the stick and I fell.
Okay. All right. This is an easy one, but it's hard at the same time. You ready? Because I've been giving you easy ones. When I drove my car off the lot, my very first time buying it, where did I go?
McDonald's?
I came to your house. You're so terrible. Now the time you had the floor to be self-centered, you didn't take it. You got one more strike. Oh my God. The fact that he knew that.
No.
Yes.
Because, you know, I thought about that time when you tried to fuss at your bank.
Really?
That's why I said
Really?
McDonald's.
Really? Really? You're trying to embarrass me? Okay. It's your turn.
Who does my mother look like?
Her mother?
No.
It's true though.
It was supposed to be me.
But she do. But you look like her, which looked like her grandmother. Which looked like your grandfather. Didn't know I knew that. I'm sorry, Jamal, but you better get ready to be pied. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a bonus question.
Okay. I got this.
Whew. How old was I when I lost my virginity?
21.
Good job.
Oh, I gotta go? Why I keep messing up when it's my turn?
Because we each said 5 questions, so you should be pied, but I'm going to just keep going until you get this one wrong. I don't want to pie him. I don't want to. But I know if you would have did it to me, you would be like, oh, I read it.
How many degrees did I go through before finally deciding on being a teacher?
8. What's an 8? I'm not sarcastic. It was a lot though.
It really was.
I know the one before you decided that one. It was biology. Everybody's go-to.
That's what I'm going for.
I still won. Shit. I mean, shoot. Sorry. Okay. Here's one. Right now, to date, how many subscribers do I have?
Over 10,000?
You tried it. Oh, I don't want to do this. Oh my gosh. Why did you agree to doing it?
Because it's for your channel.
I don't want to. I really don't want to, y'all. Oh, my friend. I thought you said you wrote your hard questions down.
I tried to. I forgot. I fell asleep.
It's melting. Come on. You ready? Get in the camera. All right, y'all. We're going to say a prayer for him. He got on me. Oh, Jamal. All right, y'all. Bye. Jamal.